Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between the hills, lived a curious little girl named Emily. One day, she found a strange and magical pumpkin in her garden. Intrigued, she picked up the pumpkin and suddenly, it spoke. "I am Aberforth Dumbledore, a friend of Albus," it said. Emily was surprised but not scared, for she had heard tales about the famous Dumbledore. "I have been sent to you, Emily," said Aberforth. "I have a task for you. Can you help me?" Emily agreed, and Aberforth transformed into a wise old man. Aberforth explained, "I need your help to find a magical artifact hidden deep within the forest. It's a book of spells that has been lost for centuries." Emily felt a shiver of excitement run down her spine. They ventured into the forest, guided by Aberforth's magical lantern. They encountered talking animals, crossed mysterious rivers, and even had a tea party with fairies. After a long journey, they reached a hidden grove. There, under a starry sky, was a magnificent book glowing with magical energy. Emily reached out and picked it up. "Well done, Emily," said Aberforth. "You've proven to be a brave and kind soul. This book will bring joy and wonder to many children just like you." Emily returned home, feeling proud and happy. She shared the book's stories with her friends, and soon, the village was filled with laughter and magic. And whenever she felt lonely, she would open the book and read a spell, feeling the magic of Aberforth Dumbledore's presence. From that day on, Emily knew that magic was real, and that she had a special friend watching over her. And she went to bed each night, dreaming of more adventures with Aberforth Dumbledore.